The 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata is doing something no other sports car at this price is willing to do, delivering a pure analog driving experience in a world that has forgotten what that even feels like. If you've been watching the sports car market shrink year after year, with affordable roadsters disappearing and prices climbing out of reach, the Miata is the one car that refuses to follow that trend. Most people assume a genuinely fun rear-wheel drive sports car under $40,000 is a thing of the past, but once again, the 2027 Miata is about to prove every one of those people wrong. Genuine sports car formula. Pick any sports car from the last 10 years, chances are it's gained weight. Crossovers have taken over, SUVs keep growing, and the idea of a lightweight, driver-focused roadster has become almost extinct. That's the environment the Miata is operating in, and it couldn't care less. Most people who've owned a modern turbocharged sports car will tell you the same thing. The car does a lot of the work for you, boost fills in the gaps, electronics manage the traction, and the whole experience starts to feel managed rather than earned. The 2027 MX-5 is going to deliver the opposite of that. This is a car built on a lightweight chassis with a rear-wheel drive layout and a completely analog feel, the kind that responds to every input the driver makes, not the kind that second-guesses it. Over 1.26 million Miatas have been sold worldwide since 1989, and the reason is the same today as it was then. Nothing else in this price range drives quite like it. No driver modes to scroll through, no artificial steering weight, no electronic nannies softening every corner. In a market moving fast toward comfort and automation, the Miata is holding the line, and the 2027 model is doing it better than ever. And if that sounds like the kind of car that deserves a sharper, more focused version of itself, Mazda has already thought of that, and the answer is coming up next. Mazda Miata PS. One of the biggest additions to the 2027 lineup is the PS Pure Sport Edition. The name is not just marketing. This version is going to bring a focused set of upgrades that push the Miata further toward track day territory without losing any of its everyday usability. There's a particular frustration that comes with a sports car that looks the part but doesn't fully deliver when the road gets interesting. The suspension feels soft through fast corners, the brakes need more confidence than they inspire, and throttle response isn't as immediate as the driver wants. That's exactly the gap the PS Edition is going to close. It will be riding on black-painted 16-inch Rays alloy wheels with Brembo 4-piston calipers on ventilated discs. Underneath, Bilstein dampers tuned with inspiration from the limited Mazda Spirit Racing Roadster are going to replace the standard setup, motorsport-derived engineering transferred directly into a production car. Mazda is also introducing acceleration response improvement control, sharpening throttle feel from the first millimeter of pedal travel. A revised powertrain control module will allow the engine to approach its rev limit without pulling power prematurely, and heel and toe assist control makes manual gear changes more satisfying on every shift. Inside, the PS stays minimal. Black rings around the engine start button and climate control dial, black and silver HVAC vent accents, suede-like fabric seats with solid lateral support. Every change serves a purpose, nothing is there for show alone. Now, the PS is a sharp package, but before getting into what's under the skin, there's something worth addressing about the outside and why Mazda made a decision that might surprise you. Minor tweaks before storm. The current ND generation has been around for over a decade. Most manufacturers would have moved on twice over by now, but the ND is still turning heads, still selling, and still drawing in buyers who couldn't care less that the platform dates back to 2014. Mazda isn't making dramatic changes for 2027. The sheet metal carries over completely with the same proportions, the same clean, low-slung silhouette, and the same design that looks like it belongs on a racing circuit. There's no reason to fix what isn't broken. The one exterior addition is zinc green metallic, not loud or attention-grabbing, but refined and deep, sitting somewhere between gray and green depending on the light. Mazda drew inspiration from the green instrument panel on the three-wheel Mazda Go from the 1930s. Paired with a gray fabric soft top, it's one of the most composed color combinations the Miata has ever worn. But here's what gives this update a different kind of weight. The ND is approaching its final years. A next-generation model is confirmed to be in development, expected before the end of the decade. This 2027 update is the last refinement before the curtain comes down, a quiet send-off for a generation that has earned every bit of its reputation. The window on this generation is starting to close. And speaking of choices, the 2027 Miata offers buyers two very different ways to experience the same car. And that decision could be the most important one a potential buyer makes. Soft or hardtop, it's on you. The The soft-top Roadster is the purist's choice. The fabric roof goes up or down in seconds. Wind in the cabin. Engine note unfiltered. Sky wide open above the driver's head. For anyone who buys a convertible to feel that direct connection with the outside world, the soft top is going to check every box. But not every drive happens on a sunny afternoon. That's where the RF, retractable fastback, makes its case. The power-operated hardtop folds into a compact mechanism behind the seats, giving the car a sleek, coupe-like appearance with a distinctive flying buttress design at the rear. Quieter at highway speeds, more refined in daily use, and it looks unlike almost anything else at this price point. The trade-off is a modest weight increase and a slightly shallower trunk, which is a small price for a car that works in far more conditions. Soft or hard, the Miata covers both ends without asking for any compromise on the things that matter most. But none of that means much without the right engine underneath. And the Miata's powertrain is where the auto industry has simply given up trying to compete. Engine we actually want. The industry has gone all in on forced induction, turbos everywhere, hybrid layers, downsized engines chasing efficiency numbers. The 2027 Miata is staying well clear of all of that. Think about the last time a car rewarded every decision made behind the wheel. Throttle responding exactly as expected, engine pulling harder the further it was pushed. That experience requires a naturally aspirated engine, and the Miata is one of the last cars still delivering it. Under the hood sits the 2.0-liter, naturally aspirated Skyactiv G Inline-4, rated at 181 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute and 151 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. In a car weighing around 2,300 pounds, those numbers produce a driving experience that feels far more engaging than the figures suggest. No boost spikes, no turbo lag, no sudden surge mid-corner. The engine communicates its entire rev range in real time, backing it up with a 6-speed manual, short throws, precise gates, a clutch that's easy to read. For anyone who still believes 3 pedals and a gear lever are what a sports car should have, the 2027 Miata is about to confirm every one of those instincts. All of that performance is going to come with a price tag that makes it genuinely hard to justify spending more elsewhere. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata is going to hold its ground in a market where affordable sports cars are an endangered species. The base soft top is expected to start at around $30,400, which is outstanding value for a rear-wheel drive sports car with this level of engineering behind it. The PS edition is going to carry a premium, given the raised wheels, Brembo brakes, Bilstein dampers, and revised drivetrain systems. But for buyers after the sharpest version of the Miata experience, the capability jump is well worth the price difference. The 2027 Mazda MX-5 Miata is making a case that almost no other car on the market can match right now. A naturally aspirated engine that revs freely to 7,000 revolutions per minute. A lightweight chassis that keeps the driver fully in control. A new PS edition bringing Bilstein dampers, Brembo brakes, and raised wheels into a package starting around $30,000. And a choice between soft-top purity and RF refinement that covers virtually every kind of driver. The design carries over because it doesn't need to change. The new zinc green metallic color is one of the best the Miata has ever worn. And a next-generation replacement is already in development, which means the 2027 model is the most refined version of a generation that won't be around much longer. Mazda is one of the rare companies that does things on its own, rather than following ongoing industry trends. Besides the Miata, the Mazda 3, which you can check out in our next video, is also a perfect example. Stylish, luxurious, and sporty. It's quite the opposite of what the current market expects from a compact hatchback.